Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a special video on Fin Nifty, that is expiry trade. Now what happened today is after opening a very good gap up, it has covered previous day's fall and sustained over there. Now what is our tomorrow's plan is if it open in between in this range and sustain over here, then what we will do is we will wait for a small breakout over here. After this breakout, we will go for a buying side trade till 19440 to 19450 zone. Or else, if it crosses for 19200 level and sustain below this zone, then what we can do is we can go for selling side trade till 1950 to 1940 zone. This is the expiry trades plan. Or else, if it open huge gap up or gap down, then what we have to do is we have to change our plan according to the market direction. Now, similarly, we are going to look in Nifty as well. Nifty also opened good gap up. After that, it has covered previous day's fall. The same thing happened in Fin Nifty as well. Now it is sustaining at very good resistance zone, which is 18280 to 18300 level. If it crosses this level and sustain above this zone for at least 1 hour, then we can plan a trade till 18360 to 18380 zone. Or else, if it crosses and sustain below 18215 level, then we can plan a selling side trade till this zone and till this trend line as well. Now we are going for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty hasn't shown that much strength compared to Nifty and Fin Nifty because it hasn't covered this whole fall, right? It went completely sideways over here. Now what is our tomorrow's plan is if it opens in between in this zone, then again we have to wait for breakout or breakdown to this zone. If it gives any breakdown, proper breakdown to this level and sustain below this, then we can plan a trade till 43,000 level only. If it closes below 43,000 level, then we can initiate our trade till this support area, which is 42,600 level. Or else, if it crosses above 43,470 level and gives a very good closing in 1 hour, then we can plan trade till 43,600 to 43,700 as well. This is about tomorrow's plan in all the indices. And let me tell you one more thing. While we look at over here in VIX, India VIX is showing somewhat strength over here. That means there will be huge volatility in our market. This is moving slowly upside. If you get huge volatility, then make sure that you have to keep your stop loss strict and make sure that you go with less quantities. That's it for today. We'll meet in our next video with more analysis on our indices. Till then, take care and keep trading. Thank you.